Hello everyone, let's get our ingredients ready. We need some Italian seasoning, sea salt or table salt will do, and a few grams of flour. Now it's first thing in the morning, I'm totally knackered and I need something to wake me up. I need a hit. Pour your beans in the grinder. No flicking the bean, this is a cooking show. Get your mixing bowl ready and add your flour. Each cup is about 200 grams. I'm going to add 4 or 5 cups of flour here. So we've got about 1 kilo of flour. We're going to put some Italian seasoning in. Sea salt, 1.5 teaspoons or so. And some vegetable oil because I haven't got any olive oil. And 1 cup of coffee. Right, now we're going to make the yeast. We need 1 jug of tepid water, which I'll add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, now we'll add the yeast in the mixing bowl. If you haven't got a mixing bowl, you can do it by hand, but I'm too lazy for that. Chuck it all in, mix it up, it's done in a couple of minutes. And some semolina. This helps the dough, stops it from sticking. Now we've got quite a good dough here. It's pretty solid at the moment. But if we cover it up, let it rest for a few hours, that'll double in size. Okay, so you just want to knock the dough back, knock all the air out of it. I usually do this twice, so I'll do it once, knock all the air out, cover it back up again, and then I'll leave it for a few more hours, and then I'll do it again just before I roll it out. Look at that beauty. So easy to make. And once you've got your dough made, you can knock all these pizzas up pretty quick.